Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Please don't let my current appearance scare you away from this video. It will get better. And that's because I'm trying out some new hair products to hopefully save this mess. So recently my hair has been in utter dismay because the Revlon one-step hair dryer that I've been using, while I love it, I'm pretty sure it's destroying my hair. I have so many split ends and flyaways. My hair is so dry to the point where I can't even straighten it anymore because it's so dry and broken at the bottom that when the flat iron gets there, it won't slide through my hair. I was trying to straighten it and it took me about 40 minutes and it still looked terrible. So as you do, I went to the internet to search for something to save it because I really don't want to cut it off. I already got it trimmed like 3 inches off, and I like my hair long, and honestly, in order to get rid of all of the damage, I'd have to cut off quite a bit. So I went on over to our expert, XMONDO. His products aren't cheap. It's not priced like you would find it in the drugstore, but I don't think they're that expensive. You would spend a lot more on other salon quality products. And I also trust that if he, with his reputation as a hairstylist and on YouTube, he wouldn't put out a bad product with his name on it unless he was proud of it. And since he has already taught me so much about hair through all of his videos, I thought this is worth a try. So I ended up going to the repair tab on his website to see what he had to try and save this. And I ended up finding 2 different products. In total, it cost me $60, and I also got free shipping because I think it was $60 and then you get free shipping. Love this presentation. It came with this card in it, and it's giving me major Jeffree Star conspiracy palette vibes. I ended up getting the XMONDO Prismatic Glow Hydrating Mask and the Electric Rain Moisture Cream. So I'm going to be testing these out on this and I'm going to be doing side-by-side comparisons to see if it saves my hair, how it looks, if it looks less frizzy, if it looks more tame than this right now, because I understand this is just like, it's rough. I have naturally curly hair, but I use heat on my hair so often that my natural curls just aren't there. It's usually a lot more curly, but I think it's just become like whatever this is over time. So I'm going to start with the Prismatic Glow that I'm going to use in the shower. It says, refract and attack that dry hair, what I need. The hydrating mask, what I need, is formulated with the richest ingredients, including argan oil and baobab oil, to leave your hair nourished and hydrated AF. Now, I don't have the everyday shampoo and conditioner that he has on his website, so I'm just going to be using the standard ones I use. So I'm going to be using this after I shampoo and condition, and it says to leave it on for 5 minutes or longer if you're free. So I'm going to try and leave it on for as long as I can. And then once I get out of the shower, I'm going to follow up with the Electric Rain Moisture Cream. Now, this is something that you put on after you're done washing your hair and you leave it on. You don't wash it off. So it says, today's forecast calls for electric rain. This formula includes argan oil and rice proteins to hydrate and rebuild your hair. Electric Rain will leave you with a smooth, amplified look and a high voltage shine. Yes. So the instructions say to distribute a generous amount of product starting at the ends of your hair and working your way up, finish, style, and strike a pose. I like the packaging as well. It's very simple, but really stylish looking. So if you are excited for this video and you want to find out if these products really live up to XMONDO's name, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more like this. I have quite a bit of different hair videos if you are interested. So I'm going to go hop in the shower, try out this, and then I'll be back to see if this is transformed. Alright, so I'm having pretty bad allergies. Otherwise, I would have put on some makeup, but if I do, my eyes water so much with allergies that anything would just come right off. So I used the Prismatic Glow mask. When I was washing it out, my hair felt so soft, so silky. Like obviously it's gonna feel that way because the product was still in it, but it felt different than my normal hair mask that I use. Touching it right now, it feels soft, it feels hydrated, but my hair does still look frizzy. My hair is naturally pretty frizzy, so I can't really tell until it's completely dry and I can see and compare it to what it was like earlier. It feels hydrated. The cream felt amazing on my hair. I feel like my hair kind of looks healthier in a way, if I can say that. It just looks a little bit more, I don't know, alive than it was. Nope. Oh, is that gonna sneeze? I can get through this. So my preliminary opinion on the hair mask is it's really good. It's hydrating. It feels nice on my hair. My hair feels like it has more moisture than it normally does. I will update later in the day, but now I'm going to try the Electric Rain Moisture Cream. Now this you put on damp hair. You start at the ends of your hair, you work it up, and then you just let it dry. So I'm gonna be leaving this on my hair all day as well and see how my hair looks once it is completely air dried. It smells good. It feels nice and smoothing and hydrating. My hair is completely detangled. I don't know if that has anything to do with the mask, but it feels really nice. I'm putting a really generous amount in my hair because it has been so dry and in need of hydration that I think putting a bunch in to begin with is just the way I need to go. And I've been having dryness and breakage like all the way up the hair shaft, so that's why I'm putting it all over. I also did the same with the hair mask. I concentrated it on my ends, but then I also put it up here and on my roots. I mean, from immediate notice, it did completely tame down my frizz and it looks hydrated. We'll see what happens once it's dry and the product has sat on it for a little bit longer. So far, I'm liking it and I will update you later. Hi, so obviously it is a different day. I really wanted to film yesterday after my hair had air dried, but my allergies had gotten so bad and my left eye was so swollen. It's still like a tiny bit swollen now, but I did not think I was gonna be able to make it through the video. So I did sleep on my hair, but I haven't put in any other products. You might be looking at it and be thinking, Sarah, it still looks frizzy. But let me just tell you that when I first wash my hair, it is extremely frizzy. If I can find some video footage of what my hair normally looks like, I will put it in here. But normally, after all of my shower products, I go in with the Bedhead Split End Mender, which is a leave-in conditioner that helps hydrate it. And then I also go in with the hair serum from Trader Joe's. This is shea butter and coconut oil. And typically after I use those two products, it's still frizzier than what my hair is currently. That's why I never wear my hair naturally curly, is because it's always super frizzy, and the only way I can tame that is by straightening it with a flat iron. So the fact that I haven't had to put in any other product and it looks like this is tremendous for my hair. And I do want to see how my hair reacts after I use it again. So the next time I wash my hair, I'll be using the hair mask and the hair serum, or the Electric Rain smoothing cream or whatever that is, and we'll see what my hair looks like after 2 rounds. Hi, I'm back a week later. So I tried out the XMONDO products again on my hair, and my hair feels and looks a lot better this time. I just went outside and was walking around, so it is a little bit blown around by the wind. Though it is like big, it's not really that frizzy. I'm used to a ton of frizz. And like I said, I haven't been using the 2 other products that I normally use after I shower, and that's typically what I rely on to tone down the frizz. And it's still more frizzy after using both of those products than with using these. My hair definitely feels softer and more hydrated. It still feels dry. It's just gonna have to go through more repair, but it feels a lot better than it was. But I like this. My hair looks healthy. It feels healthy. I rarely ever wear my hair natural out, but I actually feel more comfortable with it like this, because normally I don't want to wear it out because it's just bursting with frizz. But this, it's not bad. It is a little bit poofy, but that's just how it's always been. Random side note, but the XMONDO, after it dries, you can tell on the bottle, I hope you can tell, it turns like a holographic prismatic color. Ooh, hopefully you can see it there. It's like this weird purple. Like you don't see it when you squirt it into your hand and when it's in your hair, but once it's dried on the cap, I don't know what the purposes of that is for, but it's really cool. That makes sense because it's called Prismatic Glow. Quarantine has me operating a little bit slower. I've given my hair about 2 weeks without using any kind of heat on it because I'm trying to just repair it. With also using the XMONDO products, I'm gonna see if I can straighten my hair and how it goes. I don't plan on straightening my whole hair, just trying a few pieces to see if it can actually go through my hair or if it gets stuck because of the dry damage like before. So we're gonna try that out. Okay, I'm not going to do all of my hair. I just want to test a few strands out, so I pulled it back and I'm just trying to get a piece that's less obvious. I'm using the Chi 44 Iron Guard Heat Protectant. All right, let's see how this goes. Okay, it's much better than it was before, but it still feels like there's a little bit of resistance. It's not gliding through my hair as smoothly as it normally does on healthier hair.
I'd say the same is for this side. It feels a little bit of resistance, especially more so when you get down to the bottom where it's drier and more damaged. It's workable, like I can at least get the hair straightener through it. I mean, I'm not kidding when I say I couldn't even finish my hair. It looked so bad because when you start doing it and then it stops towards the bottom and then you have to like redo it again, it looks crimped. So I'm definitely going to say that there's a noticeable difference in my hair when using these products because I can actually get a hair straightener through it. While it's still a little bit more difficult, it's possible. My hair looks less frizzy, it feels healthier, the split ends and damage doesn't look as evident. Since this is only with 2 uses, I'm really excited to see how my hair looks after I continuously use this every single week. If I've already seen progress within 2 weeks of using it, if I try it out for months, then I'm hoping the progress will just keep stacking on each other. So I know that these products are not that cheap and not everyone is going to be able to afford them, but if you can and you're just looking for a good hair product, I would definitely recommend this. Or if you can't afford it and you have a birthday coming up or something else where you can ask for it, you could do that. I do think it's worth it. If I could only keep one, I feel like it might be the mask. Okay, that is all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I will put a link to Brad Mondo's website with these products down below if you want to check it out. I hope that one day he can actually see this video. But if you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you in my next video.